Hello friends, welcome to the Treehouse Learning Club. Today we have a story about hard work and helping friends. Our story is called The Little Red Hen. Once upon a time there lived a little red hen. One day she found some grains of wheat. She thought, if I plant these grains, water them, cut the wheat, take it to the mill, and bake the flour into bread, then I will have a lovely warm loaf of bread. First she saw Dog and Cat. Who will help me plant the wheat? Asked the little red hen. Not I, said the dog. Not I, said the cat. Then I will do it myself, said the little red hen. And she did. Day by day, the wheat grew tall and golden. The rain and wind came, but the wheat was stronger than the storm. When the wheat was ready, she asked again, who will help me cut the wheat? Not I, said the duck. Not I, said the fox. Then I will do it myself, said the little red hen. Swish, 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 the wheat fell down. Next came the long walk to the mill in the woods. Who will help me take the wheat to the mill? Asked the little red hen. Not I, said the owl. Not I, said the raccoon. Then I will do it myself, said the little red hen. And off she went into the woods. The miller ground the wheat into soft, silky flour. She carried it all the way home. Who will help me bake the bread? Asked the little red hen. Not I, said the dog. Not I, said the cat. Not I, said the duck. Not I, said the fox. Not I, said the owl. Not I, said the raccoon. Then I will do it myself, said the little red hen. She mixed, she kneaded, she waited, and then the smell filled the whole forest. When the bread was cool, the little red hen said, who will help me eat the bread? I will, me too. Oh, please me, said all the animals together. No, 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 said the little red hen. I planted the wheat, I cut the wheat, I took it to the mill, I baked the bread, so I will eat the bread myself. And she did. It was warm, sweet, and very, very good. Now, little friends, what did we learn? If you want something done, be like the little red hen. Help your friends, work together, and sometimes a little reward just for you is okay too. Thank you for coming to the Treehouse Learning Club today. See you next time for another wonderful story. Bye everyone.